box, so you can see kind of, you see where the liquid is, it's kind of darker down there. Okay, so you're just gonna try to, can't be perfect, but make sure you're careful every time you drip it, and you can kind of put it down for a second and check where it is. And then you want to get it all over the bottom of the box and even a little bit on the sides, like the walls of the box. And if you get a little puddle, you can kind of turn it so that the jet glue drips to the sides of the box as well. And I think I'm going to do a little bit more. Yeah, and then don't worry if it gets on the bottom a little bit because it'll dry. And then once you kind of tilt it around, it'll start to dry super fast. And then you can set it up like this so that you get a flat bottom. So you want me to do this one too? This one's soft. Okay, this one's soft. Yeah, I can totally tell. There's like a hole in there. So again, you make sure the drawstrings and the ribbons are out of the way. Slowly drip little by little into the bottom of the box, and then just stop to check and kind of turn it, and you can see it's in there.
Here, will you show the camera too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And on this one, I think especially because it's a little softer, and I can feel kind of on the sides, it's also a little squishy, so you can kind of tilt the shoe sideways and get the glue on the sides of the box, which I think that will be what you want to do, because then it'll also drip down to the bottom, and kind of the whole thing will get a little harder. And I think on this one, you can kind of touch it, and it's kind of warm on the bottom there.
It's warm because of the chemical reaction?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's when you know it'll start to dry, when it gets hot. And that's also the reason you don't want to get it on your hands or especially like your eyes. There you go. And then just set it up against the wall, and it should help out a little bit. So I hope that helps you and you can get some of this or